not telling you the truth, but is also telling you the half-truth and then withholding the truth so that you do not come out to the whole truth. That's why pag pinag-oath natin sila, di ba? Sinasabi natin to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth. Because you can say half-truths or you can say nothing and they'll say that's the truth. Di ba? Oh, so that's why siguro I can appeal kay Senator Nancy, sa SCT, sa DPWH, di ba? Tell the whole truth, di ba? Ito, review lang to So, hindi ko alam bakit, ganyan ang nagiging reaction ng marami, either frozen or nagkakalat ng gossip tungkol sa amin or politically may attacks when what we're doing is the review. So, if they came forward and gave us everything, we would have decisions by now. And I consulted the Senate President. We want to do the technical decisions all within the month of August para walang further delays. And then para nga yung cost, remember